I am Elena Sulleira and I am the head of Parasitology and International Health Unit of Microbiology Department. For almost 20 years, we are collaborating with a hospital in Angola in a rural setting with a high burden of malaria. Malaria is the principal parasitic infection and is the responsible of 600,000 deaths every year. Angola is one of the 5 countries more affected by this disease. In this context, our study is carried out led by Alejandro Mediavilla, the first author, and published in Parasites Vectors. One of the major challenges in the study of malaria is the improvement of the diagnostic tools. Currently, malaria diagnosis is based in microscopic examination and the rapid diagnostic test. However, the more effective techniques and sensitive are the molecular techniques as real-time PCR. In contrast, the real-time PCR is difficult to improve in rural settings because it needs complex laboratories, is expensive, and it needs experimented personnel to make up. An alternative approach is the use of dry blood spot or DBS that can obtain a very little amount of blood in filter paper. The DBS is inexpensive, easy to store, and very easy to transport. The aim of this study is evaluate the use of DBS in the transport to the blood sample for research in malaria using real-time PCR. The study was carried out in 2 phases. The first one, here in Barcelona, we elaborate an effective protocol for diagnosis malaria in well-characterized positive samples. And the second one, carried out in Angola, when we take 200 samples of febrile patients and later sent to Barcelona for making the PCR analysis. The results of PCR obtained by DBS comparing with whole blood achieve a range between 76 and 88%. In the Angolan study, the sensitivity of PCR obtained by DBS are 78% and a specificity of 79%. PCR allow differentiate into the 5 species of malaria. This identification is very important for choosing the correct antimalarial treatment. In conclusion, DBS represent a good alternative for transport samples from rural settings as well from a reference laboratory for molecular techniques diagnostics. Based on the results of this study, we conducted 2 posterior analyses of markers of Plasmodium falciparum that improving in the results of the rapid diagnostic test and the resistance of principal antimalarial drugs.